students, so far we have learned about the K-map properties. Okay, now we'll solve one or two examples so that we can easily understand. Here is the expression. We have to solve this one using K-map. So in K-map we'll show that the box which has all the terms that has the value of true, that means that is 1. In sum of this is sum of products. Okay, sum of products will always consider the min terms which are 1. Okay, in K-map, so that these boxes will show this as 1. Okay, now we'll draw the K-map first. This is 3 variable, that means 2 cube, 8 boxes will come. Okay, now take this. This is A bar A, 2 variables. This is B C. This is B bar C bar. Okay, we'll just differ by 1. That is gray code. 0 1 here. Okay, 0 0. Next 0 1. Next what will come? 1 1. Next 1 0. In B's also we can show B bar C, BC, BC bar. Okay, now we'll represent one by one time. So now take A bar, B bar, C bar. Where it is coming? A bar, B bar, C bar. Which box? This box. So this is 1. Next terms A bar, B bar, C. A bar, B bar, C. This box. Next A bar, B, C. A bar, B, C. Okay, this box. Next A bar, B, C bar. That means this box. Okay, in K-map what we have known? We have to map group in such a way that in the multiples of 4, which is max. Here we can do that 2 groups. This one is one group, this one is one group. But we should not do that like that, because we have to group in such a way that it should have maximum group. So how we can group here? This entire. Okay, this is one group. So what is the solution of this one? So what is the solution? Here you have to understand that. See here, you can logically interfere here. See, the output value is constant irrespective of value of BC. Okay, so whatever the value of B or C throughout the range, the output is constant. Okay, and here that variable which is not changing, only this is A bar. So A bar, so y is equal to A bar. You understand this one? Here irrespective of BC values are continuously changing, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0. So whatever the value of irrespective of value, output value is always 1. So these 2 variables we can eliminate. Okay, so only remaining variable is A bar. So y is equal to A bar. This is the way we have to solve. Okay, with another example. Okay, so this is the Boolean expression. This is 3 variable and this is the corresponding boxes. Okay, now see that A bar, B bar, C. A bar, B bar, C means A bar, B bar, C. This is 1. Next A bar, B, C. A bar, B, C. This is 1. A, B bar, C. A means this is A. Okay, you understand? B bar, C. This is 1. So I am replacing each mini term corresponding box with 1. A, B, C. Where is A, B, C? A, B, C. Okay, here is 1. Okay, now how to group this? We have to group multiples of 2 square, maximum multiples. Here we can group it like this. This 4. Okay, here how we can get the answer? Y is equal to. So here you see that variables A, B, C. A bar A, B bar C, B bar C. Okay, here what is the constant? Here changing, here in the entire circuit changing variables are A is changing, A bar or A. Okay, this is changing. Here what is changing? B bar B. This is also changing. Which one is not changing? Only C. Only C is not changing. So answer is Y is equal to C. This is so simple. You can also understand, because irrespective of, you can also interpret like this. A is changing from 0 to 1 in the circuit. Okay, so the output is 1 irrespective of A value is 0 or 1. Okay, one thing. Second thing, Here B is changing 0 to 1. B is changing in the circuit. Okay, so the output is 1 irrespective of B either 0 or 1. So the output value doesn't depend on A or B. Even though those A and B values are changing, the output doesn't changing. Only value which is constant in the circuit, C. C is not changing. C is always C. Okay, so Y is equal to C. Okay, so now we'll solve the third example using the K-map. Okay, see here is slightly different. See, this is min-term because it contains all the literals, but this is not the complete min-term because it contains only two terms. It is missing C. Here it is missing B. So in order to solve the using K-map, you have to first convert it to the min-terms. Okay, Y is equal to okay, AB. Missing term is C. So add C plus C bar. Here A bar B. Here missing term is B literal. So B plus B bar will add. We know that. Okay, you simplify the equation now. Or you can directly write it. Okay, it's just multiplication. You can see that. So what is the first term? A bar, B bar, C bar. What is A bar, B bar, C bar? This one. A bar, B bar, C bar. Next, A bar, B bar, A bar, B, C, A bar, B, C, A bar, B, C. That means this term. So next term, A bar, B, C bar. Okay, A bar, B, C bar, A bar, B, C bar, A bar, B, C bar. Here comes under this. Next, A, B, C bar, A, B, C bar, A, B, C bar, A, B, C bar, this box. Next, A, B, C, A, B, C, which box? This box. Next, A, B bar, C, which box? This one. So these are zeros. Okay, now see this. So what is the maximum we can group here now? What is the maximum? Think. So can we group like this? So we do that. First thing we can do that. Max we can think this 4 boxes. These 4 boxes. Okay. Next, can we do that again? Any other 4 boxes like this? For example, this one, but this is 0. We can't do again 4 boxes. So we can do the next is 2 boxes. So how can we do this one? This one, how can we do this? By overlapping this one. 2 boxes. Okay. This one can we do with overlapping? Yes, we can do with overlapping because this one and this one are adjacent. So we can do like this. So how many groupings are coming? 3 groupings are coming. Okay. First one is, we'll see that 4 group 1. Okay. This one, 4 group 1. So in 4 group 1, which one is changing? A is changing. This one, in this 4 group, you see that A bar A is changing. So keep it again. Keep it aside. So again, what is changing? C and C bar. C is also changing. What is constant not changing? Only B is not changing. So first 4 group term is B. Okay. Next, coming to the 2 group, this one. Take this one. Here what is constant? What is changing? A is constant. A is not. In this 2 group, A is constant. Both A is common to this one. Again, what is constant? C is constant. C. What is changing? Only B is changing. So irrespective of B value, this value is true. So what are the constant terms? A is constant, C is constant. So plus AC. This is corresponding to this group. Next, coming to the last group. This one. This box and this box. What is constant here? A bar is constant. What is changing here? In this here. See this B bar C, B C bar. What is changing? B bar B. So B is changing. So here is constant terms. A bar is constant, C bar is constant. See here, A bar is constant here. In here C bar is constant. Okay, you understand? This is the way to solve. This is the solution of this expression. Okay. This is now we'll go into solve about the 4 variable map. Okay, using K map. Okay. Now see this. These are 4 variables. That means 2 power 4, 16 box will come. So here A bar, B bar. Okay. Here C bar, D bar as usual. Okay. These things will differ by 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. You know that this is a gray code. We already seen that. So corresponding. So this is A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar. Here C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. Okay. We'll replace with each corresponding box. Okay. Now first thing, A bar, B, C bar, D. A bar, B. This is A bar, B. Okay. Next C bar, D. This is, so this box. A bar, B, C bar, D. This is one. Next second time, A bar, B. A bar, B again. A bar, B again. C, D bar. C, D bar, where is it? C, D bar here. Okay. You see that A bar, B, A bar, B, C, D bar. A bar, B, C, D bar. This is also 1. Okay. Understand? Now AB. Now AB. Go to AB. This is AB. Okay. This row. AB. Now AB, C bar, D. C bar, D means this one. So AB, C bar, D. This box. This is 1. Next fourth one. AB, C, D. This is AB. This is C, D. Okay. Now this box. Next coming to AB, C, D bar. AB, C, D bar. This box is 1. Next AB bar. AB bar is here. Here is the AB bar. Okay. AB bar, C bar, D. C bar, D is here. AB bar, C bar, D. So this box. Next AB bar, CD. AB bar, CD. This box. Last one AB bar. Sorry. A bar, B. A bar, B, CD. A bar, B, CD. This box. Okay. You understand now? This is the way you have to group it. Sorry. This one. A bar, CD. A bar, B, CD. This is CD. This is A bar, B. This box. So how to group? I have to group in terms of 2, 2 square, 2 power 4. 2, 4, 8. Is it possible to group in terms of 8 here? It is not possible. See here, no way, there is no chance. So next maximum possible is group of 4. So how to group in terms of 4? See here, it can be multiple ways, but we will solve this. This is one box. Okay. With overlapping, again what we can do? Overlapping, again take these 4. This is another box. Okay, 2 boxes. Again with overlapping. So there are 3 groups. Okay. So take this first box. Y is equal to. Take this first box. In first box, what is changing? What is constant? In first box, see here, this box. A is A bar, A is changing. B is constant. So B is constant and so it is independent value. In this box, B is constant. Here, C bar, D, C, D. Here C is changing, D is constant. So B, D. So first box comes, here B is constant, D is constant. Okay. Next. Second box, this box come to this point. Here what is changing? Again A is changing. So irrespective of A value, output is constant. So B is constant. So again B. Here above equation, what is changing? D bar and D. So D is changing. So irrespective of D value, output is constant. Only C. C is constant. So here is B is constant. In this, for this box correspondence, here C is constant. So BC. Now coming to the last box. See the last box. What is constant? A. A is constant. Here for this box, which one is constant? D is constant. This is the solution. So we have to see which variable is changing, which variable is constant. So we have to discard the changing variable, because when the variable is changing, the output is independent of that. Okay. So the constant, which one is not changing, we have to consider that one. So like this we have to consider BD, BC plus AD. This is the simplified form.